Tesla had to pay over $65,000 to Derek because his 2023 Tesla Model Y kept slamming on the brake on its own on the freeway for no reason. He took it in over 9 times and they told him to keep monitoring the problem. With our help, he got a full refund, and here's exactly how we did it and how you could also get the same results. Tesla changed the way people think about cars. The Model Y became the best-selling vehicle on Earth in 2023. Not just the best-selling EV, the best-selling vehicle, period. Derek bought his 2023 Model Y Long Range brand new in California with enhanced autopilot, premium interior, and a price tag of over $65,000. He wasn't just buying a car, he was buying into the future of driving. But that future started breaking down before he hit 5,000 miles. It started with a humming noise from underneath the car that got louder the faster Derek drove. Tesla replaced the front hub bearing, but the noise came back. This time, it was the rear drive unit, the entire motor assembly that powers the back wheels. They had to order the part and send him home. When it finally arrived, they replaced the whole unit. But the problems didn't stop. The autopilot started slamming on the brakes in the middle of the freeway for no reason. No car ahead, no obstacle, nothing. Just a sudden, violent stop at a highway speed. He brought it to Tesla, and they couldn't reproduce the problem. The repair order said, "Unable to verify concern. Please continue to monitor concern and provide timestamps of occurrences." Let us translate that for you. Your car is slamming on its brakes at freeway speed, and Tesla's response is, keep a diary. They're asking you to document the problem they should be diagnosing. And every time you drive away without a fix, that repair order still exists. But a date, a complaint, and a result that says, we didn't do anything. That's not a dead end. That's evidence. Meanwhile, Derek stopped trusting his own car. Every time he merged onto the freeway, he braced for the brakes to slam with no warning. He stopped using autopilot entirely, a feature he paid $6,000 for. 9 visits to Tesla, a replaced drive unit, and the car still wasn't safe. He paid for the future of driving and got a $65,000 trust issue instead. Here's something Tesla owners need to know about California's lemon law. You can still file a claim even if your car is technically running right now. The law doesn't require the vehicle to be broken at the moment you file. It looks at the history. How many times the defect was reported, how many times the manufacturer failed to fix it, and whether the problem substantially impaired the vehicle. If you took it in 9 times and the same problems kept coming back, the fact that it happens to be driving fine today doesn't erase those 9 visits. Derek's 2023 Tesla Model Y was still running when he filed. That didn't matter. The repair history told the whole story. When Derek reached out to us, we reviewed his repair records, built his lemon law case, and helped him file a claim against Tesla. The result? A full refund, including the down payment, monthly payments, taxes, interest, and even his registration fees. The best part is he didn't pay anything out of pocket. All he gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we have helped thousands of California drivers just like you get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car's a lemon, give us a call or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in just a few seconds.